Alright. What's up, guys? How are you doing? So, for tonight I'd like to demo something I've been working on for quite some time. So let's get down to business, shall we? It's called SpamBot 5000. It's a Python script which I've been working on, like I said, for quite a while. Well, we can open it with any equivalent of Visual Code Studio program. Mine happens to be Code OSS because I'm running Linux. But anyway, let's open that up. And we are greeted with this message, and we'll manage it by saying that we'll trust. Of course we will. And now we can use it. So let's start it off, shall we? It's gonna greet us with this panel. So it has slots for website URL, and then there's a number of browsers we want to open, and lines.txt. We will see what these all are about. But first let's insert the URL. I happen to copy it already because I know which site or which live stream I want to spam for this purpose. And then we'll insert a number of browsers. Let's say it's 3, and I'll say a few words about this. So this isn't just a typical tab or browser. It means we are creating sessions, one could call it, sessions with their own website profiles. So if some Cambridge Analytica nerd or Google nerd were to look down on us from his or her ivory tower of data, he would see basically 3 people doing different things. So yeah. Anyway, so let's get those lines.txt open. I have it here somewhere. Yes, there. So let's open up this so you can see what this is. It's just a typical lines.txt file. So we have lines full of sentences. This is just gibberish, lorem ipsum, but it's just for these demonstration purposes, so we can change it to anything we want to say. Let's open that up by checking the path. So we need to insert this path where the lines.txt resides at the moment. We'll insert it there and put lines.txt at the end of it. Now we can just click this to open the browsers. It's gonna take a few seconds, but that's not too bad.
One eternity later.
There we go. So it opens up 3 numbers of these. I mean, it can be anything we want to specify, but still, for this purpose I've picked 3 browsers. Oh. So I've already opened these up for the first time, and as you can see, there's already a user here for each browser. And this is very handy because now we've basically set up ourselves for the show and prepared everything beforehand. And that's that. So now we can see all that's happening at the same time. Let's just add one more thing. We'll put this here so that it's visible. And without further ado, on with the show. Well, that backfired. I see. Okay, well, that was embarrassing. Sorry about that. And yeah, so it was just me being stupid. Anyway, so let's give it another try, shall we? Well, that's enough of that.